In this video, I'll show you how to add products to a Facebook post step by step. If you have a Facebook shop or a connected product catalog, you can highlight products in your posts to help customers discover and shop your items more easily. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign into the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Make sure your Facebook shop or product catalog is already set up and connected to your page. Next, tap Create Post and write the caption for your post. Add your photos or videos as you normally would. If your account supports product tagging, look for the Tag Products or Products option before publishing. Tap it, then search for and select the products from your catalog that you want to feature in the post. Review the product tags to make sure they're attached to the correct items, then preview your post. Once everything looks correct, tap Post or Publish to share it with your audience. If you don't see the product tagging option, your page may not have an active shop or product catalog, or the feature may not yet be available for your account or region. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.